Welcome to the making of The Three Little Pigs, reinvented for space opera, a music video for the Project Odyssey contest.
On planet Oink, they built their homes with care, facing a big bad wolf with a sneaky stare. With his gadgets so high-tech, and blew the straw house. Oh, what a run!
In this video, we'll show you how we used various AI tools to create this futuristic retelling of a classic story. From music composition and script writing to animation and video editing, let's dive into the creative process behind this unique project. We started with the lyrics and script with the help of ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool helped us weave a narrative that's engaging and fitting for our space opera theme. Next, we crafted the music, using lalals.ai to generate an alternative techno track that sets the playful and futuristic tone for our story. The AI analyzed our prompt and composed a track that perfectly matches the vibrant and energetic atmosphere of Planet Oink. For the visual elements, we turned to Leonardo.ai and Midjourney to generate detailed images based on our prompts provided by ChatGPT. When starting with Leonardo AI, begin by generating your initial images using detailed prompts. Be specific about the elements you want in your scene, such as the characters, environment, and style. One powerful tip to ensure consistency in your video projects is to use previously created images as references for new image creation. Once you have your static images, you can bring them to life with Leonardo AI's animation features. Bringing the images to life required motion. We used Luma Dream Machine, LensGo, Leonardo.ai, Domo.ai, and Immersity AI to animate our static images, creating dynamic scenes that captivate the audience. Working with AI video tools has been impressive, and here I want to thank the sponsors who offered access to their tools for this project, but not without challenges. One major issue is animating character movements, which often come out blurry or nonsensical. Despite these hurdles, the advancements in AI video generation are remarkable. I'm confident that within a year, these tools will improve significantly, making complex animations seamless and enhancing the creative process. We used Movavi Video Editor to compile the video, seamlessly stitching together the scenes. Additionally, we added special effects downloaded for free from Footage Crate and Action VFX to enhance the visual experience. For the sound effects and character voices, 11 Labs provided high-quality voice synthesis, giving life to our characters and story. Even this narration was done in 11 Labs. A nice feature of 11 Labs is the ability to create not only voices, but also sounds and sound effects. This versatility adds a new dimension to the storytelling experience. I've been enthusiastic about everything AI, from text generation and images, which I've been using for over a year now, to video and music more recently. Despite being an engineer for my day job, I am also a writer and have always been a creative soul. My hobbies revolve around storytelling and trying to bring my stories to life. With the rise of AI, I feel more empowered than ever to do so. I am not afraid that my creativity will go obsolete due to AI. On the contrary, it will only get better because now I have tools at my disposal that I did not have before. These AI tools have expanded my ability to create and innovate. Besides writing my sci-fi saga, I am now planning a visual novel and maybe even venturing into gaming. Who knows? With AI, I truly feel that the sky is the limit. It's an exciting time to be a creator, and I can't wait to see where these tools take me next. And that's how The Three Little Pigs, Futuristic Space Opera was made. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at our creative process.